Welcome back to Assistive Tech Hub. Today we're exploring how tech gadgets are transforming the world of agriculture. From drones flying above crops to sensors beneath the soil, technology is helping farmers produce more, use fewer resources, and do it all more efficiently. Let's dive into how gadgets are revolutionizing agriculture. First up, drones are a game changer for modern farming. With the ability to fly over fields and capture high-resolution images, drones give farmers detailed insights into the health of their crops, water levels, and soil conditions. Using this data, farmers can spot problems like pests or diseases early, allowing them to take action before the problem spreads. And the best part? Drones can cover large areas quickly, saving both time and money. Next, we have IoT devices which are creating smart farms. These sensors monitor key factors like soil moisture, temperature, and nutrient levels in real time. Farmers can use these devices to adjust irrigation schedules, ensure the soil is healthy, and even monitor crop growth. This means fewer resources wasted and better yields at harvest time. Autonomous machinery like self-driving tractors is taking over tedious tasks like plowing, seeding, and fertilizing. These machines are powered by GPS and AI, and they can work around the clock without human intervention. Not only does this free up time for farmers to focus on other tasks, but it also increases precision, reduces waste, and cuts down on the labor needed to run a farm. AI and machine learning are taking farming into the future. By analyzing massive amounts of data from weather patterns, crop yields, and even market trends, AI can help farmers make smarter decisions. Farmers can predict the best times for planting and harvesting, which reduces risks from unexpected weather events and ensures they're getting the most out of their land. In urban areas, vertical farming and hydroponics are shaking up the way we grow food. These high-tech farming methods don't require vast amounts of land, and they use minimal water compared to traditional farming. By using smart gadgets to monitor light, water, and nutrients, these systems can grow food year-round, right in the heart of cities, helping feed more people while reducing the carbon footprint. Tech isn't just for crops. Smart collars for livestock are making it easier to monitor the health and location of animals. These collars use GPS and health sensors to track movement, eating habits, and even monitor vital signs like temperature and heart rate. This technology helps farmers spot illness early, track grazing habits, and even prevent theft by monitoring the movement of livestock, all from the convenience of their smartphone. Finally, tech gadgets are driving sustainability in farming. Smart irrigation systems use weather forecasts and soil data to water crops only when needed, cutting down on water usage. These innovations help conserve natural resources, improve crop yields, and reduce the environmental impact of farming. As we've seen today, tech gadgets are taking agriculture to new heights, empowering farmers to be more efficient, sustainable, and innovative. These advancements are helping us grow more food, use fewer resources, and face the challenges of feeding a growing population. What do you think? Which of these agricultural tech gadgets do you think will have the biggest impact? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more exciting tech content. Thanks for watching Assistive Tech Hub, and I'll see you in the next video.